Good morning, traders, and welcome to the opening trade. I am Ava. All right, before we get started here, don't forget to first read and understand our disclosures found by both link and text in the description of this video. All right, so let's take a look at our current simulated account balance here. Here we have simulated the opening trade, the cash value currently in the last two will change after 4 automated trades if they take place. All right, so let's look at the back test results from the previous 90 days. We will possibly see these systems trade later in this live stream. The first two automated trades we could see will be right at the open, and it will be on the US and here. So the first one we could potentially see will be for the NASDAQ. So let's look at the 90-day back test results. Here's our 90-day date range. Here's our max drawdown, gross loss, gross profit, and total net profit. And here is for the S&P 500, 90-day date range, max drawdown, gross loss, gross profit, total net profit. Actually, I was wrong. The first two we could see will be the NQ and the Russell. So here's the Russell. This is the start and end date for the 90 days, max drawdown, gross loss, gross profit, total net profit. And the last automated trade we can see take place today will be on the Dow Jones futures. And here is the 90-day date range, max drawdown, the gross loss, gross profit, and total net profit. All right, so let's take a look here. What do we have as far as news? So today we had the core PCE price index month over month come out with a 0.6% change. The personal income month over month with a 0.6% change. And the personal spending month over month with a 1.8% change. Today is day 3 of the G20 meeting. At 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, the new home sales report will be released, followed by the revised UOM consumer sentiment report and the revised UOM inflation expectations report. And then at 10:15 Eastern Standard Time, FOM team member Jefferson speaks. Tomorrow is day 4 of the G20 meeting. And then on Monday, nothing big coming out. Tuesday next week, the CD Consumer Confidence Report will be released. So that'll be the next thing that we're looking into there. All right, let's take a look at our news here. The Fed's policy rate being higher for longer as inflation sticks. Financial stocks decline pre-market today. Fathom Digital commits to additional actions to continue expand optimization plans. Thank you for watching multi-link trading. Our systems are automated and they are live and enabled by the user. They run in the U.S. equity futures market. Free trials for the automated trading systems are on our website at the opening trading. Don't forget to read and understand all associated risks listed on the website and in this video description. There's the global rare diseases, Protalix Biotherapeutics received positive CHMP opinion. Gold prices are falling for a fifth day as another robust economic report shows that the U.S. economy is running hot. Healthcare stocks lean lower pre-market today. Serrano Realty acquires property in Hialeah, Florida for 173.6 million. Goldman Sachs authorizes a 30 billion buyback, and Pfizer and BioNTech apply for full approval of updated COVID vaccine. Right. All right, Wall Street set to tumble at open as inflation data fuels the Fed worry. TD Bank Group says receives regulatory approval to acquire Cohen Corporation. Chemed's quarter four adjusted net income revenue rises. This year adjusted earnings guidance was issued. Sol Gold closes purchase of Cornerstone Capital Resources. Sequoia pares back China tech investments as U.S. national security concerns grow. Innocent Tech Stock retreat pre-market Friday. We have less than 2 minutes before we'll see our first two automated trades. The first two automated trades are going to be here on the Russell and here on the NASDAQ. Again, that is if the automated trading parameters or indicators are met. All right, let's see. Consumer stocks flip the Dow. Inflation edged higher. Consumer spending jumped in January. Goldman Sachs CEO after missteps to take center stage at Investor Day. Block wins praise for adulting as its stock shoots higher. Office acquisition to take Borealis. Food public through a merger. Federal Agricultural Mortgage quarter four core earnings revenue was higher. MyTech Midtech announces change of name to Tingo Group. Well, Tingo is definitely easier to say. Toronto's Dominion Bank gets regulatory go-ahead for Cohen merger. Digital Bridge announced fourth quarter and full year 2022 financial results. Audi, the car company, is considering building an electric vehicle plant in the U.S. Inflation won't derail TransAlena growth plans. Ingram Holdings Company reports 2022 and quarter four earnings. So we have less than a minute before our first two automated trades could take place here. Alright, so we do not see a trade on the NASDAQ, and we did not see a trade in the Russell, which is okay. We have potential for two more automated trades in less than 5 minutes here. with that being said, while we wait for the other two automated trades to take place, which will be on the S&P 500 and the Dow Jones futures, let's see what is happening here in the news. Supermax announces departure of CFO. National Bank notes plans Atla Renewables soft quarter four says need more visibility on growth to sustain dividends. Stellus Life Sciences announces pricing of a $20 million underwritten public offering. Millrock provides update on 64 North Gold project. Numora Medical reports quarter three loss per share of 7 cents. Nvidia's stock market hot streak is far from over, according to the Wall Street analyst. Lexia Jean files for Chapter 7 bankruptcy. Urban Immersion records quarter one revenue of Canadian 3.2 million. Oil edges higher despite high inventories and more robust U.S. economic data. Enwave sells two 10-kilowatt units to existing loyalty partners. And as we see, the U.S. stock futures are weaker after the hotter than expected inflation data. Subsidiary of Retro Eco Solutions signs joint venture agreement. All right, let's take a flip through the charts here. Nasdaq, Russell, S&P, and the Dow. All right, so the Dow Jones. And let's see here. CD receives regulatory approval to acquire Cohen. Cellphone announces extension of certain deadlines under Silver Screen transaction. Digital Bridge Group quarter four loss narrows and the revenue rises. SoGold completes Cornerstone merger. ExoDX ExoDoctor prostate test guaranteed expand coverage by Medicare. Unity Group quarter four adjusted funds from operations remains flat and the revenue falls. SoGold completes Cornerstone merger. U.S. new vehicle sales go up in February as vehicle availability improves. And Brazil corporate earnings week is ahead. Boeing weighed down by Dreamliner Free. Biopower International reports 6-month loss per share of 44 cents. Additional positive interim data from phase 1/2 trial of Regenobiotics RGX-111. Traders see nearly 1 in 3 chance of a half-point Fed rate increase in March after the PCE data. As we're seeing, Wall Street tumbles at the open as inflation data fuels the Fed worry. Nature sunshine. All right, so we did not see an automated trade on anything. So that does happen. The indicators were not there, so no trading systems fired off today, which is totally fine. Um, we would like to thank you for watching, liking, and subscribing. Our systems are automated when live and are enabled by the user. They run in the U.S. equity futures market. Some free trials to the automated trading systems are on our website at theopeningtrade.com. Don't forget to read and understand all associated risks listed on the website and in the video description. Let's just take over and look at a few more news headlines, and then we'll probably call it a day since we weren't expected to have internet anyway. So we jumped on when we saw the internet was restored. Thank God. All right. Nature Sunshine Products was victim of scheme involving employee impersonation. OBS voted to delist from NASDAQ, consolidate with Swiss operations, and the shares fall. AEE AEE says 6.4 billion in contracts signed at major uh, defense expo. Energy stick energy stock energy stock split pre-bell today. Anyway, commodities market impacts the weather. Active weather pattern continues next week. Canada's speedy gets regulatory nod for the 1.3 billion purchase of Boeing. All 30 Dow stocks are falling, led by Boeing, Salesforce, and Disney. Mill Rock Resources says Resolution Minerals earns 51% stake in 64 North Gold exploration project. Pending U.S. home sales rise 0.5% in January. Jacob says 3.2 billion NASA contract with one. Merrick Ridgeback says EU regulation panel recommends refusal of Lazario's marketing authorization application. Metals slip after a strong US PCE data report. And the Fed's policy rate being higher for longer as inflation is. Okay, so we caught up here on our news. Let's do one last little refresh. Nothing's new. And unfortunately, we saw no trades on our automated systems today, which is totally fine. That does occasionally happen, and what that means is that the indicators for the automated trading systems were not met today. But there is no worry. So we will be back on Monday to watch the automated trading systems hopefully take place on that day. So with that being said, we will be heading out a little bit early today. One last news refresh. Nothing new. One last chart flip. All right. And just for total transparency, we saw absolutely no trades, meaning that there is no change in our accounts here in the simulated opening trade. So hopefully we'll see some changes come on Monday. Alright, so let's just one more look. Again, we greatly appreciate your watching, liking, and subscribing. Okay, well, have a happy weekend, and we'll see you next week.